monster trucks at the gas station.
Chris's 5th gen. And this is Chris's 5-ton. He's selling it. I'm kind of sad. Well, the normal 5-ton has like 2 doors. He converted it to a crew cab, so it has 4 doors. They custom rack on it with hella lights. And look at the leaf springs. I literally hooked this thing to a house and it would pull it down. It actually doesn't ride that bad. He does like 80 on the highway with it. Thing's massive. Makes my truck look tiny. But big guy, big truck. 300. At nighttime, this thing is literally the sun. Right now, he's got this 5-ton here, and then up in the sky right there, that's the other 5-ton. You need one of these.
I would get in trouble if I had one of these.
I want to buy it, but he sold it too fast. It's already gone.
Oh.
I'm kind of salty. Go ahead. You're good, Chris. Chris doesn't like being on camera. It's a big old dude, but he's scared of cameras for some reason. Chris's only weakness is cameras. I've seen this man wrestle a grown bear in the woods, beat his ass. The cameras, it's too shy, man.
Also deadlifted a 12-valve head.
Picked up an engine like it was nothing. Gentle giant. Can't even fit this thing inside the frame. It's so big. Makes my truck look stock. What do you think?
Now I kind of want it.
We gotta make a stop at Home Depot after he tightens the wheel too.
Most people take their trucks to go like get some 2x4s, renovate their house. Just put the house in the back of the bed.
Yeah.
Don't build it. He just buys it built already.
Yeah.
Wait, the watch is on this one. So the tanker's supposed to be there any minute now. So the semi-truck hooks right up to the truck and just drains the entire semi-truck into this. That's how you fill this up.
How many gallon tank is this? 2,000?
25,000.
Not only does he have 5-ton monster truck, I actually made a video 7 months ago where I joked about saying that I bought the truck. But now, 7 months later, I actually have one. His got a little bit more done to it because I've only had mine 2 weeks. Color match everything. 24x14 concave American Forces. 4-inch lift. It's all powder coated real nice. Everything's color matched on the whole truck, including the freaking cab lights. I gotta get my shit together.
Those are stock taillights. They look so aftermarket.
You just color match them.
You should probably have bedliner.
It's a pavement princess. People are already calling my brand new truck that I haven't owned for 24 days a pavement princess. Huh. Like, do I gotta take a trip to the mud hole every month just to prove myself?
I think so.
Yes.
Always has this thing like spit shined.
He does. When he first got it, he used to clean it like 3 times a day. I also, for the first day I owned my truck, cleaned it like 3 times a day. Now I don't care. But yeah. I don't think that truck has gotten washed in months.
Thing's sick.
God, it's so
Such a beautiful day. Fuel prices aren't too bad, you know. It's not too hot, it's not raining. Wait, what the what is this?
Goddamn Lamborghini bandwagon.
Yeah, you tell me that.
What the hell?
You said it only got you half a tank?
A little under 3/4.
A little under 3/4?
Bro, there goes my rent.
Hey, that's your president.
can see everything from there.
Where'd that dent come from?
All the lights. I've always wondered how they got power. Oh, hi.
Wow. Bob, you'll never believe this. There's 2 goddamn monster trucks at the gas station.
I can't even keep up. One of my 3 turbos are blown.
Aw, shit.
Looks like a gorilla.
Hey, did you find the banana?
I'm having second thoughts. I really want this in my driveway. Jesus Christ. Hey, look, a CJ. I mean, can you see anything?
No.
Oh, then the flash on. Alright, we're attempting to drive Sebastian's truck. It makes 1400 horsepower, it's got twin turbos. It's a G56. It is the most impossible truck to drive ever, apparently. It literally, like, I'm not exaggerating, it makes 1400 horsepower.
Usually we exaggerate shit.
Yeah, usually
exaggerate.
I'm kind of scared. Blow-off valve. I mean, when you drive it with your pinky toe, it drives like a normal truck. Yeah. When you have a boost gauge that goes to 100 psi, you know it fucks.
Pinky toe that goes to 30 psi. Well, 20.
Yeah, he said don't go over 20 psi or it will blow the trans to smithereens. He's getting a custom steering wheel. That's why it doesn't have an airbag. Also, we die like men. It was a 4th gen, so I don't know exactly what year it is, but it had 6,000 miles. I stalled it. Oh. What's the only thing he said?
Don't stall it.
I stalled it. They probably don't believe me that it makes that much power, right?
Yeah, no, they definitely don't believe you.
There's no way a $30,000 painted 4th gen that literally went to SEMA makes that much power.
It's all show, no go.
That's what they all say.
Oh! See number 1. Number 2.
Fully built 6.7 with true compound turbos. That's 468s.
Both of them are.
2 of them.
Yes.
I've never even seen a truck do that. This is the first truck I've ever seen with true twin turbos.
He was doing like 60-mile-an-hour burnouts.
You see me driving it?
Can you see me driving it?
I can see my grandma driving it. Because she only drives cool things, yeah.
Yeah, it's a manual. She can drive it. I bet you she stalls it 17 times before it even gets out of the driveway.
It's a very hard truck to drive, not gonna lie. No, they don't spin though.
Poverty. I will need 3 sets of tires the day that I bought it. Because by the time I get it home, they'll be bald, all 3 sets.
Listen. Tell me why the fuel pump is louder than the truck. Hey, it doesn't rub. It sounds so good. The only option is to make my 5th gen just as fast as this one. I mean, obviously. A billet G56.
The pedal assembly is completely different.
That's okay, we swap them. And when there's a
will, there's a way.
When there's a will, there's a way.
I think that's how that saying goes.
I think so too. I hope so. We're gonna look real stupid.
We're all gonna look retarded. Hola, si, Dora.
Dude,
you say
escuela? That means school in Spanish.
Both did the same thing.
Hey, look, the world's widest 5th gen. You want to take the 5th gen?
I will take the 5th gen.
He's gonna take the 5th gen.
It's okay.
It's okay. She said it's okay.
Run back the rolling burnout clip.
Crackheads.
You good? No. Watch your head.
He's definitely scared of heights.
Watch your head on the beam above you.
Bro, that's... If they knew how high I work, like 160 foot up, leaning over the edge, a single half-inch size rope around my belly. That is it. And I'm leaning out over the edge 160 foot up, using all my strength on drill pipe.
And you make minimum wage.
Imagine working your hardest and putting out your hardest but at 160 foot up on a platform this wide, and your toes hanging over and your whole body hanging over. Nothing but steel on the bottom. You fall, you're dead.
Anything for the shot, right?
Alright, show me how to properly hold a cock. Alright, take a picture of Max holding the cock.
Hold this motherfucker like this. You guys tail in that bitch?
Bro, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Send you like 41 photos.
Or 41 videos. Dude, that's it right there. Nice cock.
G.
Nice cock.
Real nice cock.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, fuck.
Alright, get a good picture.
Here, shut the door.
Oh, yeah. Ah, fucker.